Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to transfer internet from an iPhone to a PC using a cable. So I've hooked up my iPhone to the computer and right away we're going to hit the accept button here. Yeah, enter the code. Next, we go to the settings. Okay, let's close out of everything. Here's the personal hotspot. Turn it on and naturally we'll connect using USB. There we go. And now we need to choose the phone. All right, let's do it. Now we need to select the phone from the list of connections. To do this on the PC, we right-click and click on Properties. Here we click on Internet Settings, or just type Connections in the Start menu. Yeah, look at the connections, networks. There we go. And here we have something like, well, our respective adapters. There we go. And we choose the iPhone adapter. This will be my network cable. There you go. And naturally, we'll turn it on with a right click of the mouse. There we go. Either disable it or make it the default by right clicking and setting it as default. That's it for now. Valor was with you. Bye, everyone.